Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to answer the question, can you loan again in GLoan? Yes, you can loan again in GLoan, that is Gcash loan, after paying your previous loan, as long as you meet the eligibility criteria. Here's what you need to know. The requirements for reapplying for GLoan are 1. Good payment history, 2. Updated Gcash score, 3. Maintain account standing, 4. Sufficient G-score, 5. Verified Gcash account. Now, for good payment history, you must have fully paid your previous GLoan on time, no late payments, and your Gcash credit score based on transaction history affects your re-eligibility. You must have no negative records, that is, unpaid loans or fraud. Gcash may require a minimum G-score, so check in the app. And of course, your Gcash account must be fully verified. Now, here are some possible reasons for rejection. Late payments on previous loans, low score due to inactivity or poor transaction history, that is low G-score due to inactivity or poor transaction history, and existing unpaid loans from Gcash or other lenders. So here are tips to improve your chances. Use Gcash frequently. Pay bills, send money using Gcash. Also, pay other Gcash services like Gifts and Gcredit on time. And keep a good credit history, that is, avoid multiple loan applications. Once you do this, you can reloan from Gcash again.